That's what he told us, but okay, I'm trying to go by 28. Let's see.
See, where are you at 28?
Let me see. The 28, you said, let's see. That's 23 Astorla.
No, it's further than that.
Okay,
Where are you going? Where are you going? This is our pilgrim's dinner, and look at this beautiful salad. Oh my God, that's what I'm talking about right there.
fruit salad was good. It's a good one.
I wasn't recording. We're having our pilgrim's breakfast in this nice albergue, and I'm not going to be grumpy because I've had my coffee. See there? And Francine, she's having her toast.
Yes.
See you on the trail.
Well, I hope we all have,
Yes,
and a cozy bed.
and a comfortable bed. Lots of pilgrims having breakfast this morning. It looks like Francine and I are going to be the first ones out the door. We're right next to a nice church here. It's breezy, but fairly warm. Tell John we said goodbye.
Oh, we will.
Okay. All right.
Safe travels.
Okay, safe travels. 6:15, and oh, I just saw lightning. Shit. We're just leaving the town of Castrojeriz. You could see our albergues right there with the lights on. It's going to take us probably 30 minutes just to get out of the town. It's kind of a sausage-shaped town, and we're at the tippy tip. Ready to go, buddy?
Yes, I am ready.
We had a strange group of pilgrims in our room. One of them was from Wales, and she had a host of medical issues. Nice gal. She reminded me of Ruth Wilcox in Howard's End. Do you remember her? Redgrave sisters played her. Anyway, she reminded me of her in her manner of speaking. And we had one girl come in, okay, late. She came in really late, and she hung her wet pants right in front of Francine's face. Like if Francine were to get out of her bunk, she would run into this girl's pants. I mean, what the hell? Who does that? Well, you run into all kinds. Like in the middle of the night, she would breathe in and she'd go, ah. I'm like, who does that? People are trying to sleep. So it was kind of a Stepford albergue for us, but we made it through and we're on to the next town. The sun doesn't come up for another hour. I'm really glad that I brought a jacket because all of a sudden it's turning cold and windy, and maybe one of us has stopped to go potty behind that bush over there. And anyway, we've got a big hill to go up in this wind. I hope it dies down because it's it's wind and it's chilly. I'm delicate. I can be delicate. We came up on some pilgrims walking very slow. That's because they had a very weak headlamp, and they were walking. But now Francine here's got super badass headlamp. So we still keep seeing lightning in front of us. But we're ready. Well, we brought our ponchos. It said no chance of rain anywhere, and I said, let's bring our ponchos anyway. I told Francine here that I was part Choctaw Indian, and that I can smell the rain coming, and that I think we should get the ponchos on. So we'll see what happens. Yeah. Francine, a couple of pilgrims behind, and it's getting lighter, but we're still seeing that lightning. Here's Francine with her headlight. A couple other pilgrims. No one else has put their poncho on except Francine and I. But we're still traversing this hill. Looks like we're almost at the top. Definitely rain right there, but we don't know which way it's going. And there's Castrojeriz, where we started from, right there. Gone almost 5 kilometers, and we're in good spirits. Wow, it's just really pretty. I just can't capture. I can't capture that, guys. Yeah. But I can. I just stopped to look at the pine tree and I saw this guy here. Yeah. Just waiting out the storm, I think. We finally reached the summit because there's a little shack. And look at, you can see the rain right here. I hope it's not coming our way, but it might be. And there's Castrojeriz and about 30, 40 pilgrims behind us. See if we can get ahead of that rain. We are trying to outrun rain, which is completely all around us. And we're just trying to outrun it. We just saw a couple strikes of lightning. Sorry if I made you dizzy. But, wow. We gotta outrun this. We're the only ones with ponchos on, but we know what time it is. Francina's just felt, oh yeah, it's raining, and you can see it down here hitting the ground. So, okay. It's totally raining. Pilgrims are getting their ponchos on.
80% off down.
Yep.
Whoa.
And we're on a very steep. So, Francine, watch your step.
Yeah.
We're absolutely about to get bitch slapped because that system right there is moving this way. It's going to cross right over us. I'm thinking about taking my glasses off and putting them in a pouch. Oh. Okay. We are, oh shit, I almost fell. The road is starting to get very, very slippery. We've got mud caked on the bottom of our shoe and really no place to wipe it off. So we're just forced to go really slow. Honestly, got, I don't know, maybe a kilo of mud on each shoe. And there's no respite. There's no place to hide from this. Glasses off because it was getting foggy, but there's really no place for us to hide. There's nothing. There's not a town. Well, I'm not bitching. I'm just saying, you know, there's not always shelter from the storm. There's plenty of pilgrims in the same boat as us. And I'm passing a pretty field of sunflowers here. But gotta watch each step and make it to the next town. We're gonna make it. Back to you, Bob. I can just see the water starting to come down. You ever see the start of a river? Here's the start of this river. Right there. There it is. I don't know, that's kind of exciting. It's gonna go all the way down here. There's a little respite from the rain. Could have passed us, but look at the sunflowers. We're a really muddy trail. Francine's gonna do the recon. She's gonna find the driest way through it. And we just saw more lightning. I'm following you, buddy. You're doing good. You're doing good. Hear that thumper?
The thunder now.
We should have a town right up in here. We'll look at the...
Okay. I don't like that. I really don't like it.
I get more rain. Still walking in a really pretty field of sunflowers. Nevertheless, we think there might be a town up here. We're gonna duck in so I can charge the phone. Crossing over a bridge, and we're making a dash for the the cafe.
I hope so.
Oh, it's a big bridge.
Yes, it's a long one. Nice.
And we're just entering Palencia, new province today. And we just crossed that borderline. The next town is Itero de la Vega, which we will visit the bathroom in there. Our goal today is Fromista, right there. And then this goes all the way to Leon, and look at all these nice towns right here. It's a nice map. So this is the town we're in. Right, we've ducked into this little busy bar here in Itero de la Vega, and the pilgrims are trickling in. It's not raining now, but we're still going to put on our ponchos. Place got a lot of rain. Oh, look at the floor here. It's fresh cracks. We are in our 18th kilometer, I think. Been walking for 4 hours, 5, something like that. We're a little tired, but we're determined to get to the next town, which is Boadilla, or Boadilla, and take a nice rest. We haven't really seen the sun all day, but then again, we're not getting rained on either. Plenty of pilgrims behind us. And sunflowers for days. Oh, I may bring this one home to my kid. We are dog tired, and we've been going for 5.5 hours, mostly through this sloshy, crappy crap. And I don't know about you, my feet hurt after walking on these pebbles for
It's burning.
nigh on 21 kilometers.
Yeah.
And but we can see some rooftops here. We're going to take a break. This is not our destination. We're going to take a much needed, maybe hour-long break. I don't care. My feet have to rest. We're going to take in maybe a tortilla, coffee, and maybe some fresh fruit. And then after that, we have 6 kilometers to go to Fromista. We're just dog tired, aren't we? But we got a cafe con leche. I got a power cord here that's plugged in. Everything's charging up. My feet are going boom, 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 boom. Yeah, my feet are just have had it.
So heavy and so.
I know, right?
My leg is so painful. My left.
Well,
Too tight.
we'll rest here. We'll rest here for another half hour, 20 minutes. Take our time, and then we're gonna hit the road. All pilgrims are coming in. There's a lot of pilgrims that actually are staying here, but we have another 6 kilometers to go, and somebody just came in saying it's raining. So I don't have anything dry. My raincoat is a little damp, so I'll use that. And okay, here comes Francine. What's the damage?
7:30 for boat.
Okay, the Quebec gal again. And they're speaking there to Fromista, and we're heading into that. Now, and there's the boat down there that you can take if you happen to get on it at the right time. We missed it. Wow. Wow. Buenos días.
Adiós.
We've been going for 7 hours, and we've gone 25.5 kilometers. This is our longest one ever. And we're still going along this really pretty
No, we did
canal.
28.
Okay, I stand corrected. She says we did 28, damn.
Yes.
Okay. we're coming up on Fromista finally, and the place where the canal kind of turns into a little waterfall. And we found the boat that we missed by about 5 minutes. There it is. It's across the bridge here, so let's do it. Hello.
Hola.
Hola. Okay, I think we cross. Woo-hoo-hoo! Woo! Whoa, that doesn't look too good right there coming out of the wall, but what are you gonna do? Ah, I'm going.
Okay, I put my cell phone beside.
And here she is, Pretty!
Ya está completo el municipal entonces. Vale.